We are here in Dunkirk as a start of the MMO. It's a multi-purpose maritime operation where we cooperate very intensively out of Belgium, Flanders with France. We are able to involve a lot of equipment out of the European agencies, EMSA and EFCA, in our waters. Use, for instance, drones to assist us with search and rescue activities. So we can use those European equipment very intensively during the summer period.
As the Agency for Maritime and Coastal Services, we are the Belgian national competent authority for all the safety net information exchange. And what we want to do is to improve the information exchange by integrating that in our own system. So for our MRCC, for search and rescue purposes, and we will integrate the data into our own system, which will be a huge improvement for our operators.
Nous avons participé au programme MMO au travers de plusieurs activités, à la fois l'exploitation du drone dans notre région de recherche et de sauvetage, mais également différents exercices ou formations et également réunions et briefings de coopération entre les différents acteurs.
Que le drone de l'EMSA a pu voler dans des zones côtières et c'est une vraie avancée par rapport aux années précédentes. Et c'est grâce à la MMO et cette première MMO. On espère qu'elle sera reconduite dans le futur.
The purpose of the MMOs, which are led by EMSA, are to enhance the maritime safety and maritime security around the European coasts, reducing the environmental impact of the maritime transport, but while providing a safety of this essential economic branch. Very, very important element of the MMOs are cooperation at the national level between the different competent authorities, but equally so at the regional level between the member states, and being strong by working together.
This MMO proved to be an added value also for fisheries control. We saw that, for example, different services were used for fisheries control as well. We had 3 use cases that we tested and that we addressed through this MMO in the Manche and southern North Sea. They were related with the control of the landing obligation that we have under the common fisheries policy. They were also related with misreporting of catches and also related with the control of fishing gears.